Welcome to Beaute Totale. My name is Elizabeth. I want to give you a short sneak peek of what a consultation is here at our skincare clinic. Check it out. Laura, tell me, honey, what are you trying to achieve here at Beaute Totale?
I am trying to improve the texture of my skin. I want to accentuate my jawline.
Okay.
I want my cheeks a little higher. I feel like with age they've drooped a little.
Okay.
I'm also looking for the body total fit.
Okay.
I want my arms thinner,
Okay.
toned, my legs thinner, toned,
Okay.
my thighs, of course.
Yeah.
And I'm also looking for my buttocks to be a little rounder.
Excellent. Everything you're saying, Laura, sounds so fabulous, and honestly, I can't wait to give you the results that you're looking for. So let me tell you what we do here at Beaute Totale. First of all, we start with nutrition and supplements, so that with those nutrition supplements that you'll be taking at home, you can go ahead and help and support the inside of your organs, your body, your cells, to revive them and give them back that health and nutrition that they need. When you come here to get those treatments done that you're asking for, you'll be coming once a week. That way, I'm going to make a program of all the different aesthetic equipment and protocols that I will be using to target each and every specific area that you want and give you exactly the results that you want. How does that sound?
That sounds perfect.
Excellent.